Hello and welcome to Prime Unboxing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Today, we've got something special, the Insta360 Ace Pro and a game-changing firmware update, version 1.0.35. Stick around as we dive into the incredible features this update brings to your Ace Pro experience. Now let's jump right into the action. We'll be showcasing the firmware update process. It's a seamless upgrade that's going to elevate your content creation game, and it only takes a few minutes. First up, let's get into photo mode. The Ace Pro now supports zoom in photo mode, a game changer for those crisp shots. We've got side-by-side comparisons of regular and HDR photo modes, showcasing the brilliant improvements. Check out these sample pictures for yourself. The video mode has received a significant boost too. With the new firmware, HDR is now available in both 25 and 24 frames per second. The sharpness setting has also been fine-tuned, making it easier to achieve the perfect shot in any mode by having it in the slide-out quick access menu. The new features also works on the Insta360 GPS preview remote, but note that you also have to update the firmware to version 1.0.0.21, which again only takes a few minutes. Once your Insta360 GPS preview remote is updated, you will also be able to enable HDR video mode in 25 and 24 frames per second, as well as enable clarity zoom in the photo modes and adjust the sharpness in the slide-out menu. And there you have it, the Insta360 Ace Pro with the latest firmware update version 1.0.35. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge content. Until next time, happy shooting and stay tuned for the latest in the world of Prime Unboxing.